Welcome to Connect BK Speak. Listen and practice. Asking and telling time in English. What time is it? What time is it? Or you can say, what is the time? What is the time? Both sentences are correct. Let's do some example. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. Or you can say it is 3. It is 3. What time is it? It is 5 past 3. It is 5 past 3. What time is it? It is 10 past 3. It is 10 past 3. What time is it? It is a quarter past 3. It is a quarter past 3. What time is it? It is 20 past 3. It is 20 past 3. What time is it? It is 25 past 3. It is 25 past 3. What time is it? It is half past 3. It is half past 3. Or you can say it is 3:30. It is 3:30. What time is it? It is 25 to 4. It is 25 to 4. What time is it? It is 20 to 4. It is 20 to 4. What time is it? It is a quarter to 4. It is a quarter to 4. What time is it? It is 10 to 4. It is 10 to 4. What time is it? It is 5 to 4. It is 5 to 4. What time is it? It is 4 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. What time is it? Correct answer B. It is a quarter past 6. What time is it? Correct answer C. It is 5 past 5. What time is it? Correct answer B. It is a quarter to 9. What time is it? Correct answer A. It is 20 to 10. Here is a test for you. What time is it? Write the answer in the comment section.